Hello everyone, this is ICO Talk. My name is Yelena. Today my guest is Mr. Alexander Shishow, CEO of Native Video Box. Good afternoon, Alexander. Thanks for joining us.
Hi.
So, okay, first of all, a few words about Native Video Box. What is it all about, and what are the main problems that the project solves?
We are an independent video distribution system, and we have several things that made us special, and one of them is our eco approach to advertising. This means we provide relevant video content to the publishers using the machine learning. So we improve the user experience to help the publishers and video bloggers to earn more. So actually we distribute the video to the websites that before that they have no video content at all. And the problem is that ad tech market advertising, digital advertising, and especially digital video advertising, it's not really transparent, and intermediaries could take up to 70% of money. And we are trying to make a system that will distribute the video to the publishers and will take about 20%, and 80% will go to the publishers and to the video bloggers. I mean, the persons who really create the video content and those who distribute it to the people. Mm-hmm. So here is our role. We're trying to make something new.
With the help of blockchain, yes, as I got it. What is the role of blockchain in this system?
Oh, really, it's a key role. It's all about the business model depends on the tokens, and the tokens are impossible without the blockchain. To be honest, the native video box, old native video box as it was, without the tokens, it could be just another video platform, video network. Mm-hmm. Even with the native approach, even with the machine learning and all this stuff, it's just there's just another network, but the tokens could change the game. We made the business model that have a kind of unfair advantage, and we're going to outplay the old-fashioned guys with our unit economy. I mean, that 80% that will go to the video creators and publishers, they couldn't pay so much to the participants of their system because their traditional economy. They should pay the dividends and should pay to the investors, and they should raise their capitalization and so on. And we are just focused on the tokens and the growth of the tokens value.
And are there any similar projects on the market, so to say? Do you have any competitors? And if there are any, what are your main differences and what are your main advantages over them?
Sure. First of all, of course, it's YouTube. But we are not going to fight them. They're too big for us, actually. They are definitely too big. Native Video Box ecosystem resembles YouTube like cryptocurrency resembles traditional banking. Mm-hmm. Also, the other guys less famous like Taboola and our brands are native too, but they are not actually our competitors. Also, it's the startup named AdHive. But they concentrate more on sale terms negotiation, while we boost volume and quality of interaction with our machine learning skills. Mm-hmm. But our main, as I said before, our main unfair advantage is not tech. It's a system of revenue distribution itself. I mean, we do not focus on the capitalization. We do not focus on dividends. We are focused on the token value growth. I mean, it's a kind of common point with new ICO companies. The companies which are going to the crowd sale. But as for traditional companies, it's quite new approach, I'd say.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's now proceed to the ICO. First of all, what for do you need the ICO? What are the key milestones of development of the project?
Okay, the key milestones of development. So we did a kind of local system that we started at early 2016, and we made a good traction here in Russia because we are the Russian project, and we are going to gain some traction on the local market. But actually, it's not quite sad, but it's not really well developed. We should go global, and for that we made a kind of crowd selling. Because I guess it will be a good idea to crowd sale, to participate, to find the people who will participate our project, to find the guys who will buy the token, and they will get some benefits. Especially if you are a video blogger, you could gain 100% to your revenue share that you'll get in our project. If you are a publisher, you will have 50%. So it will try to find some token holders from the video bloggers and publishers. It will be the good idea to put it all together.
Okay. Did you have a pre-ICO?
I guess we'll start pre-ICO in the 1st of December.
So what is the soft cap and what is the hard cap of the pre-ICO and of the ICO itself?
I do not know. I do not know what will could rise on the pre-ICO. I guess it will be maybe several $100,000. And we have no soft cap actually, because we're working with ICO box, and they talk us into not having soft cap, because our business model is flexible enough, and if we'll raise less money than we expect, we'll go to the local market, we'll go to the minor markets, we'll not go to the huge global markets like Europe and United States, and we'll focus on the Eastern Europe or Asia or Russia.
So if you don't get enough money, the project won't be closed, yes? Anyway, you proceed.
No, not at all. Not at all. The project won't be closed anyway.
Okay, and so what about the hard cap anyway?
Hard cap. Hard cap is $15 million.
15, 1-5, yeah?
Yeah, indeed.
Okay, that's not that huge sum.
It's not that huge. We're trying to make some exact stuff just to have the production plan and to have the marketing plan, and I do not think we need just maybe 50 million for now.
Okay, so please now in more details about the main benefits for the holders of your tokens.
Okay, so the benefits of the token holders are the following. If you are as I said before, if you are a video blogger, if you are a participant of our network, if you are a video blogger, you are the person who will supply us with the video content. So in this case, you will take 20% of the revenue that we'll have from ad view, and also you'll have the bonus as a token holder. You'll have the 100% bonus, and you'll take 40% instead of 20%. I guess it's a huge benefit. Also, if you're a publisher, you'll have 40% basically, and then you'll have 100%. Then you'll have 50%, and you'll have 60% instead of 40%. It's quite good enough. And if you are the token holder who is not the participant of our system, you could rent out your token to the participant at our peer-to-peer leasing platform. So you could gain some money from the rent. So the guys who are participants of the system but do not have the tokens yet could lease the token, and you'll take some agreed percent from the bonus they will take. So there's a leasing system for the token holders.
That's clear. Okay. And now a few words about the team of the project, please.
All of our team, they're great professional, nice guys. Andrew Smirnov is old friend of mine, and our CTO, the master of machine learning at Highload, and Andrew Tsvetkov at Tech Guru, and all other guys who just make us a dream team. Altogether, there are 10 people now in the project. And
what about the advisory board?
So we have the strong advisory board, and first of all, it's Julian Zegelman, it's a famous legal person in the crypto community, and we have the Jakub Bitton, CEO and co-founder of Advanced Cash. It's also a well-known company in the crypto community, and George Michalec is co-founder and vice president of business development in WinPay. It's a banking service for the individuals. And Alexander Mikheyev, he's the managing director of Finam Global Investment Fund and chief operation officer in Gosu AI. It's a based startup in personalized cybersport coaching.
Okay, and what do you personally think about the future of the ICO market in the world?
Okay, I think it will grow up, maybe not so fast as it's growing up now, but even with the correction, just the persons who think that the ICO is a kind of bubble, I recommend them just to take a look on NASDAQ right now. Everyone remember that it was a kind of bubble, maybe .com bubble, some time ago, and take a look on NASDAQ. It's higher than it was on that .com bubble times. I guess it will be pretty same with the ICO.
So, and now in conclusion, just in very brief, in 1 or 2 sentences, why shall I invest in Native Video Box?
We're making the next generation ad tech product. Native video network based on the machine learning. And a network and the token value will grow because we could offer the best prices both to the publishers and advertisers. No magic, it's just unit economy.
Okay, then thank you very much for your time and for being with us today.
Thanks a lot. See you.
Okay, and I remind you that my guest today was Alexander Shishow, the CEO of Native Video Box. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more interesting videos. Bye-bye.